Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to order from Pandabuy. So let's get into the video. Open up Pandabuy and then log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, when you're on your homepage here, so you can either search a product from you can paste the product link and then search it, or else you can just manually type in any product here and then search for it, and then you can make a purchase. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to search for it, and then let me make a purchase. Let me order something. So for example, what I'm going to do, I'll just order this one here, this item here, this stroller here. Okay, so I'm going to order this. So once this loads, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to like choose the color. So make your preferences. I'm going to choose my color, the quantity one, that's fine. And then click on this agree button here, and then click on add to cart. If you want, if you have more stuff to purchase, just click on add to cart. Or else if you're only buying or making this ordering only this item, then you can straight away go to buy now. Okay, so once you hit on this option here, and then this is now going to go proceed to the ordering page. Okay, so now you get to this order confirmation page. What you're going to do here, you need to select the destination country, so where you finally this product needs to be shipped. So wherever like you are located, so you just type in your country here, and then once you select that, and then what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down, and then if you have confirmed that this is your item is right, so this is what you're going to buy. What you're going to do, you're going to hit on I have read and agree, hit on that hit on that tab here, and then what you're going to do, hit on submit order. So click on submit order, and then it will go next to the checkout page. All right, so next you'll come up with this checkout page here. So here what are you going to do, you're going to like choose the payment. So you're going to make the payment for the product. So right now we are paying for the product to ship it to from the seller to the Pandabuy warehouse. So you're going to choose the how you want to make the payment, with a credit card or PayPal, either way. So what are you going to do, so for example, if I'm using PayPal, I'm going to click on PayPal, and then click on confirm payment, and to and then next on the next page here, so I'm going to pop in my PayPal information, and then complete the transaction. So once this is done, so just I'm going to cancel this, and I'm not going to make the order right now. So once you're done with this, so what happened, order will be placed and your item will be shipped to your Pandabuy warehouse. So next thing what happens is, probably within a week it will be shipped to your Pandabuy warehouse. So once it reaches your Pandabuy warehouse, click on your profile and then go to warehouse here. And once it reaches your warehouse, and you should see all your items here on your warehouse, open it, you can have a look into it, and if you're satisfied with your product, then what are you going to do, click on the select the product and hit on submit. And then what you're going to do next is choose your shipping address, as well as your courier, like which courier you want to choose to get it shipped to your place. And once you're done with that, then proceed with the payment for the shipment. You can either use PayPal or card or whatever. It's like it's the same way as how we did earlier now for the product. And then once you're done with that, complete the transaction, and that's it, item will be shipped to your place. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.